Hey, I'm Brian Van, sportbiketracker.com, and today we're going to break down the Alpinestars Sektor riding shoes. The Alpinestars Sektor riding shoes available in two different versions. Right here we have the vented version that we're showing you. There is also a non-vented. They are very similar. The fit between the two will be identical. As of the time we're shooting this video, the retail price is $139. Please understand, we don't update the videos. The price changes only if the product itself has been redesigned. Price changes are possible. Let's start off with sizing and fit, how they feel. I wear a 12 US shoe in most everything out there. 12 in these fit me really well. Alpinestars has done a solid job with their sizing and keeping it uniform. We've done multiple short riding shoe reviews here this spring, 2019, and they all fit really consistent. I like to see that. So I think pick your US size, odds are you're going to get a good fit. The width, I would say, they're not slim, they're not wide, but they're accommodating. My feet lean towards the wide side, and just the construction of the shoe itself was comfortable enough that it accommodated my feet, no problem. Who are these right for? This is right for any rider that's looking for a lightweight, short riding shoe. You don't want to commit to that full-on race style or a taller boot. You need something more low profile and comfortable. This has a look a lot like some of the driving shoes that Alpinestars has done. They pulled some features into this as well they have on those shoes, like this lace system here. The way these lace up, you're really able to dial in the fit. Instead of having, say, like a metal ring in there, that fabric right there really holds the lace. So when you adjust them, it just holds them in position nicely and get a nice personalized fit and feel from these. The vented version is perforated here. It's got an active vent back here. The tongue itself is kind of a mesh fabric on the outside that does allow airflow. Perforation here. The shifter side of the boot, as well as the brake side, have a shift pad to help manage the external wear of the boot. The exterior of this is a microfiber material, right? And it's got kind of a matte finish. Looks really cool. Some reinforcement here in the toe box. Faux toe slider installed there. Reinforcement in the heel. Slight reflective panel back here. They have an embossed grip panel here built in to the inside of the boot. Velcro closure here at the top. TPR detail on the outside portion of the boot to help manage impact and abrasion. On the inside, they bolster even a little bit more. There is an armored puck inside there. Once you open it up, I'll show you the insert too, because this really does add to the comfort of the boot. I was really pleased with how comfortable these were walking around. We'll give you a nice look at the sole here too. It's not a bulky boot. The sole looks fairly thin, but I gotta tell you, walk around and it felt really comfortable. So I believe you could get to your destination, walk around in these, and you'd be good to go. Here is the insole. It's ventilated. That just helps maintain some airflow inside the boot so your feet don't stink. What do I think? I think at $139, the Sektor is a solid option for riders looking for a short riding boot for the summer.